Hi, this is Tom Jefford from Branch Property Investigations. We're inspecting a house up here in Brooklyn Park, and we noticed this piece of cardboard covering something. So that makes us very curious as inspectors. What's behind this cardboard? Well, look what we found. An abandoned well area with the well pump. You can see back here in the corner, a well, the electrical, to a switch that is currently off. So we have a fully operational well system that is currently not powered. That's interesting. In a house that has potable drinking supplied by the city, as this one does, the city often requires that the well equipment and well be abandoned and capped in place by a licensed state regulated well capping company, and then that it be entered into the state database to show that it's been properly capped. That may be needed here. It needs to be checked with the local municipality to determine what their requirements are.